Over the last week or 10 days, I've had a lot of people come on, contact me, and ask me to come on, do a video, and kind of update everybody on what's going on. And I have a great deal to share with everything, and I believe it'll be a benefit as we move forward into the big, bold, beautiful new dream that Mr. Mufara is going to be presenting to us that will be beneficial to everybody. And what I want to tell everybody today is I have to wait on Mr. Mufara. He has to take the lead before I can come on and really talk about some of the things I want to talk about. And that's the way it should be. Do you think that Mr. Mufara is ready to run? Do you think he has a handle on everything that's going on right now? Do you think in his mind's eye he knows exactly what's going to happen in the coming future? Absolutely, 100%. Mr. Mufara is in total control. And even though you might have a little angst right now because you haven't heard anything lately, that's okay. It's okay to have a little bit of angst. But what I want to tell, I want to leave you with just a really, really simple statement. And I will talk about this more as Mr. Mufara comes out and shares some things with us. Very, very simple. Test everything and keep the good. And as Mr. Mufara comes out, you're going to have the ability to come in, review the information he's giving us, and test everything that Mr. Mufara is giving us. And I think you're going to find that there's a heck of a lot more good in there that will benefit you as we move forward into the big, bold, beautiful new dream phase 2. So I just wanted to come on and tell you, you have to wait for Mr. Mufara. Whether you like it or not, you don't have a choice. I will not come on and talk about really hardly anything until Mr. Mufara takes the lead and starts to come on and give us information, give us different things that he has developed for us. So I just wanted to come on, do a very, very short video, kind of tell you where I'm at. I'm in a really, really good place, guys. I would not want to be anyplace else right now, knowing that Mr. Mufara will be coming out and sharing with us his vision, his dream, and how it's going to affect us in very, very positive ways. So get ready, stay engaged. If you have a little bit of that angst, let it go. Mr. Mufara, he is in control. He will be coming out, and it's going to be good. It's going to be better than good, in my opinion. So that's it for today, guys. Just a quick video. Here's where I'm at. Here's what's going on. I am waiting for Mr. Mufara to do what he's going to do. However long that takes, I'm fine with it, because I know when he comes out and starts to engage us with his vision, with what he's doing, and with the content that he's going to be sharing with us, it's just game over for everybody. I mean, it's a really, really cool thing to think about. So that's it for today. I hope everybody is having a good week. 4th of July weekend is coming up in the United States of America, 4th of July 2026, the year of our Lord. It is the celebration of our independence, singular, your independence, your freedom, your liberty. And I really, that's what you should be focused on, because I believe Mr. Mufara is going to be coming out with things that will set you free in many, many ways. Your singular independence, and that's really, really important. It's not the accumulative, it's you. It's you personally. What can happen in your life? Can it be set free? Do you have that liberty and freedom? Do you have the ability to live the lifestyle you want to live? And that's what I wish for everybody this 4th of July, Independence Day for the United States of America. It is the independence, yes, of a nation, but it's the independence of you individually too. So I wanted to share that with everybody. Have a great 4th of July. And Mr. Mufara, when he comes out, is going to be a barn burner. That's it for today, guys. Have a great weekend coming up, 4th of July weekend, 2026, year of our Lord. And keep the faith. Everything is working perfectly. That's it for today. Bye. And I'm Mike Ellis. We'll absolutely chat as soon as Mr. Mufara comes out. Bye.